Let's spend your Saturday.
We got the arsenal out.
Yeah, we got the arsenal out here.
We had to do this because the mother-in-law came up.
This is the big dog shootout day. Got all the guns laid out. We're getting ready to go.
Are you going to put this on YouTube?
There's background checks on people for jobs. She said it was so interesting. Huh.
Cool. I have no idea what I just did.
Nice.
Now, let me explain the guns. Kel-Tec PF9, 9mm, LCR, 38 special, limited edition,
David.
Army green.
It's not how you wear them.
We got the Ruger SR9C with a Crimson Trace laser. Nice. 3-dot sights. 22 Ruger Mark II target. Stainless steel. We got zombie rounds. We got the Ruger SR 1911 45. And we got the GSG 22 long rifle. And then the XDM 40 full size. And we got the Red Ryder BB gun. Look at there. Red Ryder, special engraved. Limited.
Had to get that in there.
Yeah.
Alright, we're getting ready to start some rounds. You gonna start us off? Dave, start us off.
You want me to kill it and then start it back up on the tripod?
You already killed it?
I'll kill it now.
Time for 38. Okay. Got your earphones up?
Put your earphones on. Huh? Michelle got the wicked up.
Everybody, eyes and ears.
Eyes and ears.
Hold on a second. There we go.
Need eyes?
Oh, I need eyes for
Ricochets, anything? I think he's alright.
I already have.
Scared the crap out of me.
There's a high in the
My
left.
heart beating.
I know.
Right above there. 12 o'clock. Right below it, I think. Got a little snap to it?
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, let's see. Where to put the cases? You keep the cases?
No, drop them on the ground. Be
We
fine.
need a life.
You
Sitting
killed it.
there watching me and shoot a gun.